So if you saw the service video on this PT40 from Worldsound, here's the on the air test. It's come from trucking and farming, and it's pretty well immaculate. Tango 21 test.
Stand by.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, you now ready?
Roger, now I'll just plug my extension and speaker in.
Yep, Roger, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Roger, off we go.
Roger, Dodger.
That's announced and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we don't have a tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that. I think you're back at the petrol station on your way back. It's stopped at the petrol station at Corley.
Roger that. The audio is not very loud on that. You speak closer to the mic if you can.
Right, Roger on that. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over.
Yeah, that's better. You just mustn't have a lot of gain because, you know, that's fine. But when you talked to me about talking back to you from the walkie-talkie, it was quite quiet. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. It would have been nice to have a factory original mic to compare with on this one over.
Yeah, Roger that. Have you not got one on any radios you've got?
I'll have to have a look.
Yeah, Roger that. Top of the hill, let's go down it towards Wilsford.
Got you at the top of the hill.
Roger, I don't know what car was going up past us then, but it appears to be on fire.
Good Lord.
A lot of smoke coming out of it. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that. Got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that. Got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
the Worldsound PT40 1981. I'm on standard going to the mic as a radio using a full 41000.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger on that.
passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger.
You have to swap camcorder tape, so just stand by when you get to the 5 mile point.
Yeah, roger that, will do. Go 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on the PT40 from Worldsound from 1981 doing full 4 watt output. The radio's doing 1.16 amps. I'm on a standard replacement line. We're going to go to low power. The low power is 360 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. There we are, 360 milliwatts. The radio's doing 556 milliamps. We're going to go back to full power. And there we are back at full power, over.
Yeah, roger, no problems on full power. Bit noisy on low power, but fully readable. It is a bit noisy on the band tonight, but that was alright.
Roger, it is indeed. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Right, 135.9 and 145.7.
Roger that, well, it's fine, thank you very much. And 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special prize for me today at that end, please, over?
Right, 135.9 and 145.7.
Roger on that, well, fine, thank you very much. And 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Okay, well, apart from me having to change the camcorder memory card, that was fine. And on the way back, we're going to do a little walkie-talkie test from half a mile away with the Barnatone Ranger 2, which is today's video. So I'll go over to our base station, we'll see what this sounds like right now.
Tango 21, testing the PT40 from Worldsound into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The pocket on low power is a hum test. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and back to full power. Alright, tomorrow we've got an Amstrad genuine Japanese one. So thanks for watching the low, no it's not the low, the Worldsound PT40 1981.